I think that's perfect. Now, we're putting in some Cherry Bomb speakers. These are made by Rockustics. This is a fantastic outdoor speaker. I'm sure you've seen some of their other models. They look like fake rocks that you've seen with music coming out of them. They have that option as well, but if you're really looking to crank up the party around the pool, a Cherry Bomb is what you want. Now, why do they call it a Cherry Bomb? Well, let me show you. Now, Marshall actually has one pulled out of the ground. Marshall, tell us about the Cherry Bomb.
So, they're really great around the pool, really cool around the garden area, backyard. On this particular pool, we did 8 of them surrounding the pool. It's a pretty large pool, so we got this whole space covered pretty well. There is, I believe, a 4-inch tweeter speaker on top.
Good size.
This is a 5 1/4-inch sub on the bottom. It's a boom. It goes boom. It's called Cherry Bomb because it goes boom.
Now, what powers this entire system?
So these are all direct wired, hardwired. This particular setup is a 70-volt system, similar to restaurants, theme parks, things like that. We did a custom amp system. We can kind of help you build that online. But yeah, custom amp, mixer. You can use Sonos. This pool is a Sonos system. Bluetooth. If you want to direct plug in like an aux cable, it does all that just based on your amp system.
I love that, and this particular one is hooked to the customer's outdoor television as well, so if they want to hear television around the pool, they can do that.
Yeah. Very good for football games.
Oh, fantastic for football games,
yeah.
Or for playing music. You can use your iPhone, connect to that Sonos, and play that music around the pool as well.
Yeah.
Also a great feature. Folks, if you're looking for something a little less robust, they do have those faux rock speakers, but if you really want to make your neighborhood aware of a pool party, grab 8 of these, stick them around your pool, the only way to go. Now, they're available at poolwarehouse.com, but if you have questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. Yep. We can't wait to talk to you. Shop 24/7 at poolwarehouse.com.